Everyone, it is a difficult moment for the COVID-19, and also that is a common sense now. EXT35 reminds you, clean the engine is not enough. Hello everyone. It is a difficult moment for the COVID-19. Please always remember to wash your hand, to clean your hand completely. Also to wear the mask to protect your health. I'm Billy. Welcome to watch today Night Circle 101. What is the problem? Why we suggest Night Circle? As what we said, clean and protect is very important. And also that is a common sense now. That is for your health. And how about your engine? EXT35, when you use this one into your oil line and make a flush, the dissolving technique can make the sludge from the big one to be the small one, and also remove the old sludges from your engine line and also the piston rings. At the same time, you also protect your oil filter from the blocking. Same because of this modern dissolving technique. But except this excellent clean effect, the EP in the EXT35 extreme pressure additives also target to protect two areas. One, the seals, especially the top of the engine, the valve stem seal. When EXT35 clean the sludge, at this moment you also can alive and also recover the valve stem seal tension. So it can protect your engine from the oil burning. Two, the metals. The extreme pressure additive has a very thick lubricant layer. So when EXT35 clean the sludges from the metal, at the same time the EP, the lubricant layer, can capture onto the metal and protect it from a lot of frictions. So that is why after it can reduce the engine noise a lot. EXT35 reminds you, clean the engine is not enough. We need more protection for your engine. Night Circle reminds you, clean your hands is not enough. We need more protection for yourself. Be healthy for you and your engine.